How to create Discord guild. I'm going to show you how you can easily create a Discord guild. First, navigate to guild.xyz and click Create Guild. You can also start guild creation here. Next, set platforms or add them later. Choose from Discord, Telegram, Google, GitHub, NFT, and Twitter. Select multiple and they will generate templates for your guild based on your selection. Your address serves as your default ID. Connect the address you want as guild owner. Now, the required step to access your servers, groups, files, or repositories. Social accounts and wallets can be managed under your guild account on the top right corner. Select a server, group, file, or repository to add the guild bot. It varies by platform. Now, set the logo, name, and description. Customize appearance and add contact info where we could reach you. Your guild consists of role requirements that the members can satisfy, which is to gain access to their rewards. After that, choose some defaults to get you started. Select rewards for your role holders. You can also go back and add more templates. Then, edit existing roles or create new ones. Customize them and combine off- and on-chain requirements with advanced logic gates.